Good morning mga fitness. Today is Friday ngayon. So papakita ko sa inyo yung aking meal plan na part 2. So gagawin ko naman siya ng 2,500 calories a day. So yung maintenance ko is 1,754 calories a day. So naka lean bulking diet tayo ngayon. So ito yung aking breakfast na kamote. So dalawa. Yan, natimbang ko na yung kamote. So, yung kamote is yung protein niya is nasa 8 grams. Then, yung fats niya is nasa 22 grams. Yung carbohydrates niya is 76 grams. Then, yung calories niya is 524. So, next, mga ka-fitness, yung aking itlog. 4 na itlog ang nilaga ko. So, yung itlog is, yung protein niya is nasa 44 grams. Then, yung fats niya is 0 grams. Then, yung carbs niya is 0. Yung calories niya is nasa 200 grams. Nasa 200. So, yung sulit naman is yung banana or saging. Ito. Dito nilagay ko yung aking banana sa standard feed. Yung banana is, yung protein niya is nasa 1.1 grams. Then yung fats niya is 0.3 grams. Then yung carbohydrates niya is 23.1 grams. Then yung calories niya is 90. So yung mga fitness. So, sunod is yung cornflakes or Nestle cornflakes. Yung protein niya is nasa 7 grams. Yung fats niya is nasa 12 grams. Then, yung carbs niya is nasa 45 grams. Then, yung calories niya is 310. So, next, yung nilagay ko na low-fat milk na gatas. For adults, unlean to 3 times plain. So, yung unlean kasi meron siyang sa joints, then sa bones and muscle. Kaya yun yung nilagay ko. So, yung protein niya is 3 grams. Then, yung fats niya is 0.7 grams. Then, yung carbs niya is 21 grams. Then, yung calories niya is nasa 108. Then, meron pa mga fitness. Yung instant oatmeal, Captain Oats. So, yung nilagay kong oatmeal is 1 serving lang, mga kutsara. Then, yung protein niya is 4.6 grams. Yung fats niya is 3.2 grams. Then, yung carbohydrates niya is 27.8 grams. Then, yung calories niya is nasa 159 calories niya. So, ito yung aking meal plan na breakfast ngayong umaga. 2,500 calories yung i-hit ko ngayon sa isang araw. So, yung kinain kong calories ngayon is nasa 1,000 na. So, yun, nasa 1,000 legit na. Ito pa lang yun na, yung 4 na itlog, then yung instant oatmeal, then cornflakes, and low-fat milk na gatas. Then, yung kamote. Yan, mga fitness. So, meron pa ako na lunch, snacks, and dinner. So, yung water na, yung tubig. So, tatrap ko sa pass. So, may init na pinapalamig ko bago ko siya kainin. So, yun lang mga fitness. Sana may natutunan kayo sa video nito. Subscribe nyo na rin yung aking YouTube channel, Marskipit 2024. And share nyo na rin para may matulungan tayo na kagaya natin na nag-workout sa gym or ma-motivate sila. So, thank you guys and God bless. Stay fit and healthy.